Get ready to embark on a captivating journey through history and explore some of the world's most fascinating destinations. We're thrilled to announce that one of Europe's most awe-inspiring medieval castles has reopened its doors to the public, offering a glimpse into a bygone era. But here's where it gets controversial. Should we commemorate sites associated with tragedy, or does it veer into sensationalism? Join us as we navigate this delicate balance and uncover the stories behind these places. First up, let's talk about Norwich Castle Keep, a 12th century masterpiece that has undergone a stunning $37 million transformation. This castle, commissioned by William the Conqueror himself, boasts over 900 years of history and is now home to an incredible collection of Norman artifacts on loan from the British Museum. It's a must-visit for anyone seeking an immersive medieval experience. And this is the part most people miss. Norwich Castle Keep was one of the first castles built after the Norman conquest of England, a powerful symbol of dominance and prestige. Its sturdy walls, constructed with Caen limestone from Normandy, stand as a testament to the enduring legacy of the Normans. If you're eager to venture beyond the typical tourist hotspots, Norwich Castle Keep is the perfect starting point. But wait, there's more. Our journey continues with a visit to Bodrum Castle, a true historical marvel located on the Bodrum Peninsula in Turkey. This 15th century castle is like a Matryoshka doll, with layer upon layer of fascinating stories. Built by the Knights of St. John, Bodrum Castle was fortified using stones from the nearby mausoleum of Halicarnassus, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. But that's not all. Since the 1960s, it has also housed one of the world's few museums of underwater archaeology, showcasing over 3,000 years of seafaring history and shipwrecks. It's a diver's dream come true. As we explore these captivating destinations, we can't help but reflect on the evolution of photography and the power of capturing memories. In the 1970s, Kodak dominated the film and camera market, shaping the way we preserved our vacation mementos. Yet, despite inventing the first digital camera, Kodak struggled to keep up with the pace of technological change. This week, the 133-year-old company announced it might have to cease operations, reminding us of the importance of embracing innovation. In honor of the heyday of print photography, we bring you heartwarming stories of vintage photo recreations. From lifelong friends reuniting to recreate a seaside photo from the 1970s to U.S. couples revisiting their favorite vacation spot in Mexico, these moments capture the essence of friendship and the passage of time. But our journey doesn't end there. We take you to Kumagaya, Japan, where the scars of a tragic air raid, just 12 hours before the end of World War II, still linger. Through the eyes of a survivor, we gain insight into the senselessness of war. And in Lithuania, we explore an abandoned nuclear missile base, a haunting reminder of the Cold War and the nuclear arms race. As we navigate the delicate balance between commemoration and sensationalism, we invite you to join the conversation. Should we visit sites associated with tragedy? What is the fine line between honoring history and exploiting it? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's spark a thought-provoking discussion. Remember, travel is about more than just destinations. It's about the stories we uncover and the lessons we learn along the way. So pack your bags, grab your camera or phone, and let's explore the world together.